Brings the lead down to 2 points at 4-6.
So, Joey, the players are having to deal with the court condition, sweat on the court, the delays, albeit quite short, but still delays, re-prepare themselves. And now you're saying that the temperature on the court is definitely going to decline because of it reflects the outside temperature fall. So that's going to be very different. Who's that going to favour?
Well, this is it. If James Willstrop can get in front of Nick Matthew, it will. But at the moment, he's having to do a huge amount of work here to stay in this rally. And this is a relentless attack from Matthew.
I think you'll find a lot of applause at the end of this rally.
Oh, that is the rally of the match so far. You can hear the atmosphere here in the East Winter Garden. We had everything there. James Willstrop turning defence into attack
7-4.
and using beautiful dexterity close to the front wall.